Today, I'm going to be replacing the door gasket on a GE front load washing machine, also known as a bellow. These are one of the more difficult bellows to replace if you don't remove the front door and counterweights. First step, locate the spring on your front gasket clamp, and then you can go ahead and pry it off with a small screwdriver or even a pair of needle nose pliers. With the clamp removed, now you can remove the gasket from the front part of the door. Now we can start the process of removing the washer door to make that back gasket go on a little bit easier. It's fine to remove with the door on, just a little hard to get it back on. Unplug the washing machine. Remove the two Phillips head screws towards the back to take off the top cover. Push the cover back with the palm of your hand, then lift up to remove. Pull out the drawer dispenser and push down on the blue tab while pulling to remove it completely. Remove two Phillips head screws on top of the plastic control panel cover. Remove the two Phillips head screws that were hiding behind the drawer dispenser. This one's pretty easy. Sometimes it can be much more difficult to extract these. Lift up the control panel and just set it on top of the washing machine and be very mindful of the wires. Remove the two Phillips head screws on the top part of the front panel. And I like to set my screws in order that I take them out, as they are all different. There's going to be 3 more screws at the bottom of the front panel that you need to remove. And now you can remove the panel, but there is going to be a wire that's going to hold you back from pulling it off all the way. Remove the wire connector carefully, not to cut your hand or fingers. Now we have easy access to remove this back clamp on the door seal. This one, unfortunately, is stripped out, so I can't use a drill. I just got to carefully use a PH2 Phillips head screwdriver. Spread that clamp out, and then the door seal should just pull right off. Before I put on the new door seal, I'm just going to clean up this rim a little bit. It's pretty dirty and there's a lot of crud stuck everywhere, which can cause draining issues and clothes coming out wetter than they should. When installing the new door boot gasket, the tab should be towards the top and the 3 holes at the bottom in the 6 o'clock position. And the whole reason I take the front door panel off is it's very hard to get the new door seal into those grooves with these counterbalance weights in the way. It only takes a minute to remove these if you've got a 1/2-inch impact, and it makes putting this seal on so much easier. With the counterbalance weights out of the way, it makes sliding the back part of the door gasket into that groove very simple. Even though it's very easy access to do this, I make sure that it is actually in the groove all the way around. Now we can reinstall our back gasket clamp. The wider you have the screw head from the nut, the easier it's going to be to put around the gasket. Double check that the clamp is all the way around, sitting in that groove. Then tighten down on that back clamp of the boot seal to make it nice and secure. Reattach the counterweights. And I'm going to go a little extra here and tip the machine back. Grab a small bucket. Remove this drain hose right here. Take the plug off the drain hose, drain the water, and then I'm going to remove the drain trap itself. This should be done every 6 months or so anyway. And I'm glad I did this because there were definitely some foreign objects in this drain filter that could definitely contribute to clothes still being wet after the cycle is complete. When reinstalling the front panel, you want to drop the front panel into these white hooks. Then reinstall all your screws in the reverse order that you took them in. Now we need to put the front clamp on the front side of the door gasket. What I like to do is just start at one point and then work your way around, going clockwise or counterclockwise. Doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you get it all into that groove. Now it's time to install the front gasket clamp on the door bellow. And the way I do this is I'll grab the spring part and put it at the 12 o'clock position with my lower hand at the 6 o'clock position. Now you can use a pair of needle nose, but this one is so flimsy that I can actually pull it with my hand. And then I'm just gonna work it around into that groove. And once it snaps into the groove, just go ahead and double check that it didn't pull any of the gasket out. This does take some practice to perfect it. And if you pulled the gasket out, just try again. And reinstall the remaining screws. Don't forget to hook up that wire that you unplugged earlier. And make sure to give it a test cycle right away with running water. You want to make sure that the gasket did indeed sit in there and you don't have any water leaks. Thanks for watching. My name's Dave. This fix is done.